Hello everyone, welcome back to Himabindu Angal Kurti's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make this cute and small tiny macrame leaf with a dollar store rope. For this project, I'm just using a pair of scissors and the small circular loop that I already have, and I actually got this rope from dollar store for just $1. And this is the cotton rope. So here I am using my scale. I am taking a measurement of length 20 centimeters on both sides, which means it's going to be 40 centimeters on the full length. So I will be tying it like this as shown in the video, and I will be making sure that it's secure enough so that the leaf will not fall off or loosen up later on. So I'm actually adjusting like I want, and then for the sides I'm actually making sure how much length I want. I'm taking 14 centimeters in total, which means 7 centimeters on one side because I'll be looping it sort of. So I'll be taking 14 centimeters, maybe if you want just a little over, and if you really want like the big size. But the issue here that I had is like if you take it too lengthy, then the leaf will kind of like flap down instead of like showing it as a leaf. It will be like faded or very dull leaf. So I don't want it to happen, so I'm actually taking the 14 centimeters, which was actually perfect, and I actually chopped it a little bit at the end of this project just to make sure that everything is aligned properly. So here I am, I took all of the leaf sides, and now I'm actually making a knot here. If you see the knot, this is very easy and it'll be very cool if you can do this. Otherwise, just make sure that you're following the video and just pull it tight, because that rope is kind of like very thick. You might feel a little problematic when you're pulling it tighter because it's very short for my long fingers, so it's very tricky for me to just actually pull it. But then here it is, my little, I think it looks like a toy, but yeah, this looks pretty cool already. And now I will be doing pretty much the same steps, and I will show it to you one more time how to make this knot. So you will have to actually do the first one and make sure that you're following the very same steps for your second one. So for the second one and for my first one also, I'm taking the one from the bottom of the actual rope, the lengthy rope, and also using another one from the top, and then I'm making sort of a loop here and I'm pulling it tighter. So see it one more time, one from the bottom, one from the top, pull it tight. I'm following pretty much the same steps and process for the rest of the rope as well. These leaves are pretty basic for any of the macrames that you do, and very easy to make, and it looks so nice and pretty for any of your decor rooms, or it can be even prettier when you make it with different colors. Right now I only have this white cotton rope, and actually you can do a DIY dyeing effect for these, which I'm planning to do some in my future videos, how to dye all these with different colors, and this will look so pretty and nicer. But right now I'm done with the leaf. What I'm doing is I'm making sure that I'm combing. You can actually use any of the combs that you have. You can use even the pet combs, or you can use one of the normal combs that you have in home. And once you comb those properly, here you will see like the lighter lint versions. Make sure that they're not falling all over your home. So don't turn your fan on and then do the step, but instead just make sure that you're cutting all the leaves or all the ropes of the leaf properly. And here it is, pretty much ready with your simple, beautiful home decor piece. And you can also make like the lengthier versions of this, but make sure that they're not flapping. So what you can do is you can actually add a small piece of cardboard so that the leaves or the sides will not just hang in the bottom. So this is pretty cute, right? I know, I love it. I hope you do too. If you do, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in my next video.